This is the ADHD Trucker Command Center, one spreadsheet that runs the whole owner-operator life. Loads, hours of service, fuel, maintenance, settlements, home time, and your own brain, all on a single comm screen called Today. It works in Excel and Google Sheets. Let me show you around. This is the Today screen, and you never fill it in by hand. Mark a cell anywhere else in the workbook, and every number here moves itself. Open one tab in the morning, and it already knows your day. Up top, Today at a glance. 4 tasks left, 11.5 hours on your rolling 70, $7,080 this week. 3 of 7 habits done. Then your top 3. On a hard day, just do those 3 and call it a win. Below that, your whole week on one screen. Today's load, Kansas City to Denver at 1480. The air filter, overdue. Home in 4 days. And the line at the bottom, no streaks to break out here. A blank day is just a blank day. Loads and miles is your money engine. Log each run once, and your all-in rate per mile and estimated profit calculate themselves. Deadhead miles included, because they burn the same fuel. This week, 3,000 miles, $7,080, $2.30 a mile. The HOS tracker keeps your rolling 70-hour total for you. Type today's drive and on-duty hours, and the hours left column and tight week warnings do themselves. Your ELD is the legal record. This is just the comm planning view, so you don't run out of hours midweek. Fuel and IFTA. Log every fill-up and your miles per gallon, and cost work themselves out. The lower table totals gallons by state for quarter end, so IFTA season becomes a glance instead of a shoebox full of receipts. The maintenance and compliance radar counts your preventive service down by odometer and your paperwork down by date. Air filter overdue, DOT medical card due in 23 days, and whatever is most urgent gets pushed straight to the Today screen. Nothing sneaks up on you. Settlements and pay reconciles every weekly check. Log the gross, the deductions, and any fuel advances, and net pay calculates itself. Anything still unpaid stays flagged, like this $3,800 due Friday, until the money actually lands in the account. And home time. The miles are for something, so you book home time like a load first, and the dashboard counts you down to it. 4 days to home, with the recital and the anniversary already protected on the calendar, guarded like loads you've already booked. Now the ADHD core. The brain dump is where thoughts go so they stop circling while you drive. Capture anything on the next line, tag it, and later move it to the right tab and mark it cleared. No pressure to sort it in the moment. The habit tracker is gentle on purpose. Tick the day you did the thing, morning meds, a real meal, a walk at a stop. On the right, a percentage, never a streak. Miss a day and nothing snaps or shames you. You just pick it back up. Setting it up is one rule. You only type in the cream cells. Everything else calculates itself. A full sample week is already loaded, and it comes in 3 looks: colorful, light, and dark. Work the way your eyes like it: bright cab or midnight run. That's the ADHD Trucker Command Center, the business of the road and the brain that runs it on one comm screen. One-time purchase, lifetime updates, no subscription, no new app to learn. Find it on Etsy from the link below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.